patterns of numbers and alphabets. Children, how was your Deepavali?
Ma'am, we had a lot of fun during Deepavali.
Children, come on. Today I will teach all of you a fun game.
Fun game?
Yes, Vinny, come here. I will clap for some time and you have to listen to my claps carefully. Then you have to count the numbers of the claps and write it on board.
Okay, ma'am.
How many times did I clap?
I heard one clap first, then two claps, and this continued 1, 2, 1, 2.
Well done. Binny, now you come forward and count my claps.
Okay, ma'am.
How many times did I clap?
At first, you clapped once, then 3, then you continued 1, 3, 1, 3.
Well done, Binny Winnie. Now can you tell me what is the special about these numbers?
Here the first line, the number 1 and 2 are repeated again and again. And in the second line, number 1 and number 3 are repeated. Oh yes, this has become a pattern of numbers.
Rightly said, Winnie. Children, now look carefully at what I write on the board. Tell me what I have written.
You have written the English alphabets A and B and repeated them again and again. Oh yes, this is a pattern of alphabets.
Well done, Binny. Yes, so friends, today in this video, we will place the numbers and alphabets in specific order and will learn to make patterns by repeating them again and again in the same order. Winnie, can you see a pattern in these numbers?
1, 3, 5, 7, 9. These numbers are written in ascending order.
So tell me, which number comes after 9?
10 comes after 9.
No, Winnie. Look carefully. These numbers are written in a pattern. By adding 1 and 2, you get 3. And this is how the pattern builds up.
Yes, 2 added to 3 gives 5. 2 added to 5 gives 7. 2 added to 7 gives 9. And 2 added to 9 result is 11. Yes, therefore 11 comes after 9 in this pattern.
Well done. So children, number pattern is created by repeatedly adding a specific number to given numbers.
Ma'am, we want to know more about patterns.
Okay. So come on, can you identify this pattern?
AB, BC, CD, DE. Here each term is of 2 alphabets. The second alphabet of the first term becomes the first alphabet of the second term, and the pattern is getting built further.
Very good, Winnie. Now solve this puzzle made of alphabet pattern.
This pattern is made of English alphabets A, B, C, D. And yes, each term of this pattern has 3 alphabets. So, here following A, B, C and D, E, F, the next term will be GHI because it is followed by JKL.
Well done, Binny. Children, remember that a pattern is made by repeatedly writing numbers or alphabets in a specific order.
Yes, ma'am.
Friends, today you learned to make patterns by placing numbers and alphabets in specific order in this video. In the next video, we will learn more about patterns made of numbers and alphabets with the help of some interesting examples.